Hi guys, I'm making this video because I think many other people also has the same issue. I took it to the dealer and they broke my ignition switch. Actually, it's not a switch. It's called ignition switch bezel. See here, it's broken. There's supposed to be 4 clip like this, but 3 are broken and it couldn't hold my ignition switch. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make 3 more clip like this, and I'm gonna glue it here. Let's see if it work or not. And after glue, I'm gonna try to put some kind of pin to hold it tight. Okay, stay with me. Okay, I made 3 of these. Actually, I found one broken one, and I made out of this plastic. From it was GPS holder. Broke here and use plier, cutting plier, and sense paper to make this size. And I bought a glue, which is plastic, dab plastic glue, and let's see if it works. Okay guys, let me show how it came out. Okay, I put this one on. Okay, cannot see clear. Okay, I put this one on. Oops. And I put that one on also. So let me see. Let it dry for 30 minutes. Then I'm gonna come back to you. Many of me thinking why I'm doing this. I could have buy maybe $10-20. Actually, I went to the dealer and they said it doesn't come individually. Have to buy whole panel, so which is $525. So I don't want to spend $525. Okay, after 40 minutes, about 40 minutes, so it's I come back. It looks pretty good. It looks pretty strong to me, but for extra protection, I'm gonna cut a small piece from this clothes and I'm gonna glue it around here. Glue it each of the bar around here. Right? So this is the final finishing. Came out like this. I put your clothes over here. You can see over here, and this one also, and this one also. That one was original, so I didn't put any clothes. And now I'm gonna put on my car. By the way, I'm working on 2016 Lincoln MKT. So it's gonna go over here. You can push it, and you can try to put your hand this way and put it on by push it down. But I recommend it to open this panel first, and this whole panel, then put perfectly. So to open this one, first you need to open this one, and then there is a bolt over here, one, there's another one, and then it's supposed to be popped out. It's popped open if you pull it. So this side, the big bracket side, would be at the down, and the other pin 1, 2, 3 will go here, so it's gonna fit. And this one, there is a little pin over here. It's gonna fit on here like this. I'll show you the finishing one. As you see, this whole thing came out. I just pull out this one. There was a screw over there, and there is another one. So when you open this one and pull it, it's gonna come out easily. And there is my ignition switch. ignition switch. You could unplug this one if you wanted to, but it's not necessary. So yeah, and you could, if you want, you could change your ignition switch, could change your hood switch, the headlight switch, anything you wanted to, you could change if you need it. So it's, from one work can give you a lot of options. So whatever you need, you could do this. Now I'm going to put my bezel over here, and let's see it's going to work. So this is the 4 clip actually they also holding, so I popped open, and this one looks like this. Now I'm going to open the bolt. So as you see, this one popped open. You can use little tool to open it. There is a 2 clip stuck on it. So guys, when I put it on and I see 2 clips were broken, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna glue it. So actually I don't need to remove anymore, so I'm gonna glue it. If I next time need to remove, I'm just gonna break it. Okay, now I'm gonna put it back on the reverse way I remove it. So guys, make sure you put all the cable before you put it back on. So yeah, put it back on. One cable I removed, and the another one. Okay, let me put this clip first. Okay, it's actually dark outside almost, so you probably cannot see better, but you got the idea and you know how to put it back. If you can remove it, you know how to put it back. After I align perfectly, just push it to take all the clip, put in perfect place. There you go. There you go. You can hear the pop. And I'm going to put it back to the screw I removed. Now I'm going to put this one back on the same way. Just push. There you go, all set. So now here is, after finishing all the work, here it looks like. So it looks like as an original. So let's give it a try if it's working. It's good. Still working. So yeah, guys, subscribe, and if you have any question, comment below. If you need to know more about anything about this side, good comments at the below. Thank you.